Renovation Part 1. So I'm doing some massive renovations in this apartment where I live. You know, I want to turn here to Airbnb. I live here right now. You can see everywhere is just camped. So I'm going to be doing some massive renovations right now and change here to an Airbnb. So you're going to be working with me. I'm moving out the main entrance door. I'm bringing it here. And I'm bringing this other door here. I'm making that a room on its own. A self-contained apartment where guests can stay. You know, that room, I used to give it out for 210,000 monthly, but it doesn't have its own kitchen. So I'm going to fix the kitchen right now, and it's going to be I'm going to take up the price. You understand what I'm saying? Then my house is a 2-bedroom apartment. If you have been watching some of my videos, you know this is where I use for some of my content productions on my dining table. So right now I'm changing it, and I'll be using here for a service apartment. I'm still going to be living here. But if you want it, I will leave it for you. So that's what we're about to do right now. Oh, this is a former Airbnb room, which I'm also expanding this room right now. And I'm also trying to remove this door, the main entrance to the house. I'm trying to remove the door. You know, go fall, ba, if you just want them. You go fall, you understand, ba?
I know.
Okay, and the base, the mat is there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is going to be the starter, and we have the mat there for the pillar. All right, so at this point we have done the blinding, concrete blinding, and we have fixed the mat and the first blocks, the first foundation blocks. So we have also put concrete stones inside the blocks to give it strength at the foundation level, and we have attached the starter pillar to the mat and about to cast it. At this point, we have casted the starter pillar that was attached to the mat, that's the basket at the foundation level, using a binding wire, and we're now covering up the side gaps. Now my parlor just dey like this, so sand everywhere. Money don dey go. Who get urgent 2K, make you borrow me abeg, so that I go add for this project. Don't worry, you come and stay with me. Oh. Yes, if we separate. That plaster na solid plaster. You know say I no use plaster sand plaster this house. Na sharp sand all through. Sharp sand, they no use one plaster sand no dey this house. Na Bature now. Na my Kaduna people now. We no dey use all this butter for Kaduna. Na for here na they see say they come dey plaster with this thing. We have already removed both doors. Now we're trying to remove the window and the burglary. Sleep this night with my house open. Mosquito go finish me, eh? Anyway, let's just lock all the room doors now. Before mosquitoes start to fly. It's about lunchtime for my workers. I decided to make Indomie for them, at least to give them strength to work more. Now the blocks are coming up. Okay. No, it's too much fast. That thing in the whole arm, yes. It's a Herculean task trying to get this 6x5 foot window out. Omo, you know easy. Man don't see shege upon say money still dey go. Finally, this window is out. This was the kind of stress we also went through while trying to remove the doors, especially the front bulletproof door. That was very difficult to get out. Yep. I've just been summoned to go eat. So I have to come and eat in my bedroom. Hey, my whole house is dusty. They made for me indomie and egg. You can see that this was prepared with plenty love. It's looking different from the one I gave to my workers. So I'm gonna eat indomie and egg. I see me thanks to Chimwanya, she made it favor. Yeah. Hey baby. You got chop now. You got chop. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll end this part 1 here. Watch out for the part 2 of this video on how I continue the renovation. Thank you. Nice. Make sure don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you.